Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. In this video I continue my 5-part mini-series named One Sketch, 2 Cards, and this is the 5th part. Today I choose a sketch from MFT and this is number 399. For the female card I use a pink pattern paper and some blue and orange cardstock. For the focal point I cut out a circle from a pattern paper with really nice balloons and clouds. Then I use scallop circle die cut for the blue frame. As always, I use double-sided glue tape and liquid adhesive for sticking. I'm following the sketch fairly closely this time. As a finishing touch, I put some orange rhinestones on the card. Here is my finished female card. For the male card, I find a really nice paper with space and planets. This will be my focal point. The background is another pattern paper with arrows going up, like always going up and forward until you reach the stars. I also use some orange solid cardstock. As a finishing touch, I put some dots in the left side of the card. Here is my finished male card. Thank you for watching and be with me during the whole series. I hope you find it useful. I am curious about which was your favorite. I would be very happy to read it in the comment section. I try to be varied, making cards for all ages in a lot of topics. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.